In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chart in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to drop a chart into any Notion page, pick the right style, and point it to your data so it updates automatically as your information changes. Start with any page or workspace section where you want the chart to live. Place your cursor where the chart should appear. Now type the / followed by the word charts and press enter. That / command opens Notion's quick insert menu, and using it keeps things fast and focused. If you don't see it right away, keep typing charts after the / to filter the options until the chart block appears. Next, select the chart you want to add. Choose the style that matches your data and the story you want to tell. Bar charts are great for comparing categories, line charts shine for trends over time, and pie charts help you show parts of a whole. If you're unsure, pick what feels closest. You can always change styles later without starting over. Think about the audience too. A clean, simple chart is usually better than something flashy that's hard to read. After you've selected the chart type, Notion will ask for the source of your data. This simply means you're telling the chart where to look. Most of the time, that's going to be a database or table you already use in your workspace. Choose the source that contains the fields you want to visualize, like dates, categories, or numeric values. Make sure the data types make sense for the chart. Numbers should be numeric properties, dates should be proper date fields, and categories should be consistent so your labels don't fragment into duplicates. Once the source is set, your chart appears. There you go. From here, you can refine the presentation. Give the chart a clear title so viewers know exactly what they're looking at. Check the axes and labels for readability and adjust any legends so they're easy to understand at a glance. If the chart looks off, try switching to a different style that better fits your data's shape. The best chart is the one that communicates the insight fastest. That's all. To recap the flow, use the / command to insert a chart, pick the chart type that matches your goal, and choose the data source that holds the story you want to tell. Keep your data clean, your labels clear, and your chart will do the heavy lifting for you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building charts that make your Notion pages smarter and easier to understand.